Hello everyone, and welcome. Are you building a Flask web application and running into that frustrating URL not found error? This video is here to help. We'll break down the common causes of this error and provide simple steps to troubleshoot them. Let's dive right in. The URL not found error, often displayed as a 404 error, means your Flask application isn't recognizing the URL you're trying to access in your browser. This usually points to a mismatch between the URL you're typing and the routes defined in your Flask code. Firstly, let's check your routes. This is the most common cause. Carefully examine your Flask application's route definitions. Ensure that the URL you're trying to access exactly matches the URL pattern specified in the app route decorator. Remember that Flask routes are case-sensitive. /about is different from /about. Pay close attention to trailing slashes. /contact/ and /contact might be treated as different routes. Secondly, verify the HTTP methods. Flask routes can be configured to handle specific HTTP methods like get, post, put, and delete. If you're using the wrong method, for instance, trying to access a route defined for post with a get request, you'll get a 404 error. Make sure the method you're using in your browser or application matches the method specified in the route definition. Thirdly, think about dynamic routes and variable parts. If your route includes variable parts using variable _name, ensure you're providing the correct values in the URL. For example, a route defined as /user/username requires you to include a username in the URL, like /user/John. Missing or incorrect variable values can lead to a 404 error. Fourthly, consider blueprint issues. If you're using Flask blueprints to organize your application, ensure that the blueprint is correctly registered with the main application. Incorrect blueprint registration can prevent the application from finding the routes defined within the blueprint. Double-check your blueprint import statements and registration calls. Finally, debugging mode can be your best friend. Enable Flask's debug mode by setting app debug equals true. This provides more informative error messages directly in your browser, making it easier to pinpoint the exact location of the problem in your code. Remember to disable debug mode in production. By systematically checking these common causes, you can quickly identify and resolve the URL not found error in your Flask application. That's it for today's troubleshooting tips. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing for more content. Your support helps us create more videos like this. Also, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. We love hearing from you.